Oliver and I are going to work on Amber's workbench together, and we're got to do a bunch of sanding on it. She wanted to have a live edge table so she could do her merchandise and all that kind of stuff in the new race shop. So Oliver came over to my house to help me do some sanding. So we're going to be getting at that. And I'll show you the piece we're working on. This is the board. It's about 9 feet long and 23 to 24 inches wide, something like that. It's from a piece of cherry wood cut off the Missler farm. They cut a tree down years ago and slabbed it out like this to make projects out of. Got Oliver working on the sanding. I had part of it done early this morning, and Oliver come over to help me now. Oliver's finishing up the sanding. We've been working on it for a while. Pretty much got her done. He was a good help today. Yeah, we just finished up sanding. Oliver's a little dusty. I'd put a little extra heat in here today to keep him warm. Didn't want the furnace blowing the whole time right on all this, but gonna finish this off with bar coat epoxy, self-leveling. It's going to be really shiny. I've never done it. I know there's a lot more prep work to do to get it ready. Hopefully Amber will be happy when it's all done.
Evan, you like that?
Yeah, it's nice.
That's some nice wood, Evan.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it pretty? Didn't I do a good job?
Oh, you did a fantastic job.
Actually, Dave and Oliver did it. All I did was help haul it here. What do you think, camera woman?
I think
your
it's
table.
perfect. It's
pretty shiny.
So shiny it looks like it's wet.
It's really sweaty.
What do you think, Scarlett?
It's nice.
Oliver?
So slippery!
We started cutting and making Amber's table legs. So that's one of the two. It's going pretty smooth. Well, today we are actually making Amber's table legs, and I got the pieces cut out. I already got one all tacked up. So I'm gonna deburr these and get them fit up together. We got it welded there, and on top on the other side. Now we're going to put these gussets in and weld all four of those in, get them tacked up, and get it looking like that one. Got it all tacked together, and it was approved by Boss Man over there. So it's time to get it all welded up. I get this one, I'll get that one welded up.
Are you sick of working on this table yet?
No. I'm not carrying it though.
Evan will scratch my wall.
Won't be the first time.
It does go up. Are you trying to make it look like you did something on this?
I'm pretty sure I bought the inserts for that. I bought the bolts for it. I bought the material to make the legs.
Did you do it?
I bought everything.
Bought the epoxy for it.
Bought the epoxy.
You paid the guy that cut it up into slabs.
You gotta cut it into slabs.
Where's the wall strap?
So if you just pay for it, you get the credit?
But no,
Where's the
no, your dad did the work. And Evan. But I paid him to weld it together.
Won't this be nice? Wait till we get it up there.
And that's just the bottom.
I know.
That's just the top.
Yeah, gotta go this side on the horse.
You might have to help with that part. She's not allowed on that couch.
I didn't think that was gonna be that difficult.
Wait, I thought it was going the other way.
It's not ready yet.
It's almost like we're in a house and we have a
crap.
dog in our house.
How much do you think that thing weighs?
I don't know.
Take off your shoes.
Better not to know. It's heavy.
A pound or two.
Evan,
If it's gotta go up, we're throwing it through a window.
if it's gotta go out, we're sawing it in half. Okay.
No, you
Roll over. Roll over.
Bolts. We're bolting on our legs.
Watch the wall, please.
This is not gonna go good.